What's good, Nexus? What's good? I'm here with Dak right now.
Hey,
Jabs and Alex are going to be here in a second.
that's good. How we all doing? This fine morning, evening, night.
I'm not used. I'm not used to waking up like this. I was in Vegas all weekend. I, I didn't. I was not going to wake up yesterday morning. I tried. I promise I tried. But we're gonna go over NQ, ES, and gold today. Kind of look at stuff, see what's going on. We've got a couple levels already marked out. I already tried some scalp longs that got stopped out on gold. Happens. Dak, anything you want to focus on?
I'm gonna actually I haven't done any TA. I deleted my TA from yesterday. Me and Alex have this new rule that every day we're gonna do
Okay.
a fresh TA.
Do
So
you want to share
we can just
your
do
trading view chart,
yeah,
and we can go through it live?
yeah, we can go through it live. Give me 1 sec. I'm just close a couple of apps I have open so it doesn't lag as much.
Yep.
'Cause I was doing some cleanup around here.
Just let me know when you're ready. I'll switch it.
Yeah, 1 sec.
I need to do that
It'd be good.
session indicator that you have.
Yeah, grab it. This is the one.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to do that. I like how that looks. All right.
Alright, well, we're just gonna start. We're just gonna mark out the highs and lows of the previous sessions. Just to have general like drops of liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
This is yesterday's high. And yesterday's low. We're just playing this range, I think, until we break away. Yeah, this is Asia session low, has not been taken. Oh, what the fuck did I do? Okay, there we go. Well, it looks like we're going for the Asian low.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna take a trade before New York. I'm gonna wait for New York to open and let price develop a bit before I take a trade. Alright, let's see. We have a 15 minute here. Anything up to the 1 hour? No. Anything down here? We have a fair value gap that stopped. We do have a 4 hour order block which we could come for. This is not a bad zone. Have a fair value gap right above it as well that we can come and rebalance. I'm not really looking for lower reason to say we're going to nuke down here. If we're gonna come down here, I wouldn't like stop at this order block. I would just take all of this out. So I'm just not gonna mark this at all. We're just playing locally for now. Just marking out a couple of things here. So, wait, is that a... No. By the way, I don't have chat open, so if there's anyone that asks any questions, let me know.
Yeah, well,
Jet. Oh no, 3 minute up here. This 3 minute doesn't hold much weight because we have both of these draws of liquidity right above. So I'm not gonna pay much attention to it. I just put it there just for it to be there in case we do get a reaction. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for yes. Nothing else to see here. I'm gonna post the zones in the Nexus and we can just wait for New York to give us a trade.
I missed my re-entry on gold. I was gonna try one more zone, but I was too busy getting ready for the stream. And so far, of course, that's the one that's going decent so far. We'll see if it rolls over or not.
What are you looking at? Gold?
Yeah.
What, shorts or longs?
I was gonna do a scalp long, but I didn't do anything. So right now I'm looking at nothing.
We just got this reaction. That looks iffy.
I've just been looking at
I
like
think
a lot of
I
scalps
think
lately.
Alex had like a box. Alex I think had a box like somewhere down here
Uh huh.
below this low. This is the first zone I would look for a reaction, to
Yeah.
be honest. Because this is the previous low in terms of structure. This is the only thing we have to work with. If we draw it from, I guess, down here, we go up, we go up, down, up, down, and then it would be up, down, up, break, retest-ish, sweep this, and then do something like this here, like a PO3, and then go back up like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking on gold. So I'm not eager to long this.
Yeah.
It's like dead in the middle slash kind of discount zone of the range. So
Yeah, I'm looking at
yeah,
gold zones right now, like similar areas. There's not even a ton, I'm not gonna lie. It's like some
bro, it's so
smaller
funny.
zones.
It's so funny. I saw so many people say that gold was crashing. Meanwhile, which one should I use? Is it this one? Maybe this one. Let's see. Let's see what this crash is.
Yeah, exactly.
What a crash! Oh boy, we're crashing. By the way, just wanna say this dump, this 7.5% dump that gold did, wiped out the entire market cap of Bitcoin
Which is
for
crazy.
the crypto bros that want to compare gold to Bitcoin. Meanwhile, gold is like $4,000 per thing, and Bitcoin is 108,000. So that's kind of wild if you think about it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Speaking of Bitcoin, are you thinking another high or are you thinking um, top already?
What for the bull run?
Yeah,
No, I don't think the top is in.
I don't either. I think one more. I think next all time high might be it though, depending on when we get it.
This this whole move up looks very grindy and very choppy for it to be like a blow off.
Yeah,
And look at the previous tops. Right? We had this, we had this whole thing, and here we had up, we had down again, and now we only had a very tiny move, and it's just chopping around here.
yeah,
The question of whether the top is in or not is what what we do right here on these lows.
yeah, exactly.
If Bitcoin stops here and that was the low, it can just do that and pop back up. Or if this is the top and we're done with the bull market for this year or for this cycle, I guess. I think we're gonna close beneath here, get a retest, and then start moving down like this.
Yeah, for sure.
But I
There's a,
don't think the top is it because of this first move.
yeah,
I do think Bitcoin can reclaim that low just because of how close it is. Like look at this. It's like
yeah,
five, six
5% is
percent
nothing.
down, which is nothing, yeah. And well, you know, I don't want to give false hopes to anyone, but I don't think the top is in.
Yeah, I don't think so yet. I think we still got some time.
It's too early to tell. If this was December and this had happened in December, I think I would be more comfortable saying that.
Yeah,
I think when we start going down is when everything starts going down. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Look at the S&P. Look at the S&P 500.
mm-hmm.
You think you think Bitcoin is high right now? Look at this shit. Compare them.
Oh yeah,
When this starts going down, you're gonna know that the bull market is over because Bitcoin, as soon as S&P 500 corrects like 10%, Bitcoin is gonna be down here at 70K. The same shit that happened back here, and every crypto bro is gonna scream manipulation. But the signs are there. The signs are there. Don't want to fear monger, but the signs are there. Housing market is on all-time highs
yeah.
in America and a lot of the world. Gold is skyrocketing. Like okay, if we exempt the last 2 days, I guess gold is skyrocketing.
Gold is
S&P
at some of the
500,
highest levels
Nasdaq,
it's ever been. It's only been this high
yeah,
like two or
Dow,
three times previously.
everything, Bitcoin, everything is at all-time highs. Every single market is inflated as fuck. I'm not. I don't think I'm crazy to say this, but when the crash happens, it's gonna be bad, and people are not preparing for that.
Yeah.
Maybe we in the Nexus are preparing for it. I don't know if everyone is, but I know a couple of people who are.
Well, I mean, I've been saying that 2026
But
is
outside, I
like a
haven't
down
seen
year
many people
forever.
talk about. I haven't seen many people talk about how overinflated every single market is.
Yeah,
and you're
2026 is
gonna.
a correction year for sure.
Yeah, maybe. Uh, they keep talking about rates and inflation and all that. Sure, yeah, it might give us the last boost up with the rates and shit, but market conditions differ each time. Generally, rate cuts are bullish long term, not short term. So you could have a year that we get corrections across the board
Yeah,
to healthy levels and then keep going. But I'm not a fucking fortune teller. I'm just saying what I see. The economics, the global economics are fucked right now because of Trump. So it's
yeah,
really anything goes. When the president of the United States can just tweet China and the market corrects 10%. No.
yeah, yeah, exactly. People are very reactionary. I'm just kind of like messing around with this indicator. The session one. So so kind of explain the session indicator real quick. Is that like at the full session?
Yeah, it shows the full sessions, start to finish. Even pre-market New York, it starts at 4 for me.
Uh-huh.
It's like 9 a.m., I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that looks right.
It helps also put into perspective the session-based moves
Yeah.
that you're gonna see here. Asia was down, had no corrective moves up, and then you had London manipulate the Asia session lows and start expanding, and then New York just continued the expansion up.
Yeah.
You can see how they kind of cycle and complement each other in a more visual perspective. And by far, I found the most success trading sessions. I highly discourage people from trading at whatever the fuck o'clock
Yeah.
Yo,
during the day.
What up,
Just
Jabs?
set your just
I'm
set your
back.
time. Yo,
Dak,
yes.
do you remember that 30-minute order block I was talking about
Where?
on Cardano?
Wait. Yeah, it got tapped.
Oh my god, I fucking nailed it, bro.
Oh, you got it? Hell yeah.
Look
We're
at my
live, by the way,
look
Jabs.
look at that.
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Yeah,
I sniped that shit, bro.
yeah, that was good.
How's the trade going right now?
Up
Should
5K.
be a big. Nice,
Hell yeah.
nice.
What's your target?
I don't know. I'm already stop loss to break even though, so I'm not worried about it.
Fuck yeah.
Cuz it like what
Target.
happened
You
like
you
we
could
flipped
target up
bullish.
here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I'm not
No.
going to let it run. I'm only on a 5x too, so
Oh yeah. Okay, so You have these. If you want to look for targets, you could like shave off a bit here, then a bit here, and then full TP here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. If we run for the highs today,
You kind of have like this would be like a 7 6 7 risk reward. This goes 10, and then this would be 15. So you're eating. You're fucking
Yeah.
doing good.
yeah, it was definitely a good long there. Well, the thing, my entry is 62.55, so I nailed it.
Yeah, it's like down here. Yeah,
Oh yeah,
yeah, that was good. Nice catch.
that's what we like to see.
I was waiting for that. I was like, oh, please do it. Because if you go look at Bitcoin, you see the big wick on Cardano right there?
Yeah.
If you go look at Bitcoin, it swept the lows to the left. Look how it swept the lows. Look at
Yeah.
that. So that's why I thought, I'm like, okay, it's going to take that liquidity and then bounce. So, I mean,
Even Bitcoin hit something here. Look. Hold on.
yeah.
What the? Look at that.
Yeah, dude.
Tiny ass pump.
Hey, that's how you know they're strong levels, though, when they bounce crazy out of there. So
Yeah,
that worked for me.
bro, it's
mean-
crazy to me that people say that this shit don't work.
Yeah, that was light work. I've been watching that shit since 5:45 this morning.
Shit, that was a good catch. Yeah. Since Bitcoin swept that low, it's run back up to 113, 114.
Yeah, well, if that happens, then my trade's gonna be fucking through the roof. So
I mean, you're probably gonna be up here at like 68.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like first target is gonna, well, not first target, but you know,
And just keep trailing it higher and higher until it gets stopped out.
I have 2 open. So
Yeah.
yeah, that was a good catch.
That's fire, dude.
Just draw your order blocks, people.
Yes. Draw your order blocks. Very important. I would like to see
So how
us
we-
sweep Asia low. Would be nice.
Yeah, we're kind of edging it. I think they're saving it for open. I
Yeah.
don't think we're gonna get anything right now. It's
No,
the price action is so
Yeah,
slow.
no.
Yo, Jet, how was Vegas, bro?
Dude, a lot of drinking and not a lot of sleep. That's how Vegas was. And a lot of gambling. I don't know how I left there with money. I hit
'cause you're the goat, bro.
I hit $150
How much were you
blackjack
up?
hand. I left with like 800, something like that.
Shit.
But I hit $150 blackjack hand. I put 150 on the table. Just fucking bam, blackjack, bitch. So that was nice. What up, DDT? But yeah, I didn't really do too much. I just kind of went around just gambling, all that shit.
Is silver down as much as gold? Yeah.
Whenever
Oh.
I go back, I'll do more crazy shit. But I was with like certain people on this one, so I didn't do anything too crazy. I was just kind of chilling. I got
The guy
offered
wanted to get
cocaine
free.
by some homeless looking dude on a bridge.
You should have asked him for investing advice.
Yeah,
Well,
no shit.
and
You should have been like, up
some
or
strip
down?
club promoter invited me to a strip club, said he'd give me a free limo and free cover.
Have you heard about the fucking stripper index?
For like markets, like whenever the
Yeah.
strippers get less tips, that means corrections coming because less of the finance people are in strip clubs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, that shit's real. It works.
You should have gone to the strip club to ask the strippers.
Man, say I was there for business. I'm here for market advice, not titties.
I'm here locked in. Yeah, I gotta bounce for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna leave my stream open.
Jabs, you looking to take anything else? You're just chilling in your 8 alone.
I'm just gonna sit here with this. Not right now. I feel like that's pretty much as best as I could do, really. I mean,
Yeah, there's
you
not
know.
much going on in
Yeah, I just
ES
need
or NQ.
pretty much. I'm waiting for the market to open now to see if what kind of reaction that gives me. But if we can pump up a couple cents before then, that'd be great. Because then I could really have some leeway. Because I don't want to. Right now, one of my stops is because they filled at different times. So one of them is 62.78, and one of them is 62.55. So I have one of the stops is at 62.75, and then the other one is at or they're both at 62.75. So one would be plus 350, and then one would be minus like 250, I think. So like I'll make 100 if it dumps back down to my entry. But I'm like no risk at this point. You know what I mean?
Yeah, which is good. That's what you want to do.
But it's up pretty good right now, so I could just take this and be like, oh, add it to my whiteboard of what I need to make back. But
yeah, but you don't want to. You want to let it be able to play out.
oh yeah, if we can get up to 68, that'd be big.
Yeah, that'd be huge. What do you know? What your full TP would give you?
If it hits 68, okay. So hold on, let me think. It's at. It's up 1 cent and I'm up 5K. So if it went back to 68, that'd be another 5 cents. So like 30K, probably.
Fuck
40K.
Yeah. Hell yeah. That's what you like to see.
That'd be a big win for the gang.
Jabs, you know the ticker for the Bitcoin CME chart? I don't remember.
Top of my head. I know I used to know it.
Crypto card, do you know what the I don't know. I don't remember what I'm about to look it up.
For the futures chart?
Yeah, for Bitcoin.
Oh, bro. I know I used to know it, but I don't know.
I don't remember it either. I'm looking it up. Oh, I think it's BTC
Bro, it's supposed to be
1.
cold today. Damn, that's crazy. Yes, with the exclamation point.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna run this. I got a new monitor yesterday. I'm gonna run the box outside and then I'll be right back. Hold on.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, looks like it did fill. Yeah, it's your gap right here. And we just filled it on that last move. So yeah, that's a good fill. And then, I mean, Bitcoin doesn't look too bad. It just tapped that zone that Dak was talking about, a little 1 hour order block right there. I mean, it had a great reaction. I don't think it has to be a full body close. I think it just has to fill the price action because the gap is there because there's literally no. See, like the gap is here to here because this original gap had already got filled this much. So whenever we wick down through it, that filled the rest of this because this is all price action. So, because like even wicks count as price action because the gap was literally from that wick originally up to here, but to this wick, but then it got filled this much. But 30-minute looks great. I mean, honestly, if you caught that 1 hour, you might be looking decent. All this is looking like it wants to start to come up. Now you got a lot of levels to the upside to fight through, but if you caught along here, just kind of TP as you go. We swept all these equal lows. All right, I'll go back to ES. See what's going on. Coming for those Asia lows right now, which is what I like to see. I'd like to see a sweep of like one of those. I don't even care which one. Or even something like that. Sweep those lows and then start to break up. It's a Nexus indicator. Kenny made it. It's I forget what channel in the Nexus it's in, but it's a Nexus indicator. It's called Nexus One. If you're in the Discord, ask Kenny about it. He'll get you on it. It just makes it easy. So that way you don't have to sit there drawing everything out. Because I'm lazy. Yeah, I don't know if Kenny has it as invite only or not. I would ask him if you can't find it in the Discord. If we could sweep this low, that'd be nice. If we could sweep this low and tap into that, that'd be even better, honestly. I kind of like that idea. And then even though I have the automatic order blocks, I still draw them out because I like to be able to see them when I go to different time frames. So like if I'm on the 5 and I jump to the 1, I want to be able to see that this is a 5-minute order block still. So I know when I'm trying. What up, Jabs? I just want to see ES sweep some of these session lows. That'd be nice. Like ideally, if we could sweep New York low, like previous New York low, and then tap into that order block and then pump from there, that'd be great.
You're saying like 67, 66, like down there?
Yeah, 67.56. Well, I guess 67.59 is New York low, the previous New York low. 67.64 is Asia low. And then that order block starts at like 67.56.
Well, I hope the rest of the market doesn't go with it. I need Bitcoin to turn around right now, or I'm gonna be.
I mean, Bitcoin
in
can
trouble.
pump while the stock market dumps. They don't necessarily have to do the same thing. I think it's usually more of a coincidence when they line up. I don't know if they've ever proven like real that they really like real correlation necessarily. Like higher time frames are kind of pointing down. NQ's already sweeping Asia low right now, actually. And it's coming from New York low. Is that Alex? What up, Alex?
Hey, what's up, Big Hoss?
You came at a great time, dude.
How is it going?
We're about to sweep previous New York low. We just hit Asia low.
I hit
Did you
this.
take any trades?
I hit this banger.
Yeah, Jabs is in a banger. I got stopped out of like 2 really small gold longs. I was gonna try to scalp it, but that didn't work. But I had like 0 risk, so I'm not even tripping.
Why can't I open Jabs screen share?
Hold on,
Yeah, can I redo it?
Oh, are you showing your trade, Jabs?
Yeah, I fucking.
I'm
Not
about to
my.
put it on stream.
It's on my phone. It's on my phone.
Okay.
I'm not logged. I don't know. My computer won't let me log into my Femex.
What long? What did you long?
Cardano right here.
Again?
I watched this. Well, my
What's your
thought
entry?
was 62.50.
Oh, you got like the low.
Yeah, I was like, well, I watched it. I've been up since 5:45 watching this. So I fucking went like this. I saw Bitcoin and then it swept the low, obviously. So when I saw this dump, I'm like, okay. I had this order block. This was a 30-minute order block on Cardano. So I said, okay, if it comes into this and it's like an abrupt move, I'm going to go long. Because I knew Bitcoin was going to sweep the lows. But the thing that really sold me was that Cardano had already been below this. But if you look at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin was up here and then it just wicked down. So I knew that it wouldn't be as crazy. And it just came into the order block and I took it. And now the rest is history. I'm up like 5K right now.
Oh, so it's a scalp.
Yeah, but I'm targeting like 68. I mean, obviously, I'm going to take some along the way, but I'd like to, if we can have Bitcoin run up to like 111 again today, that'd be ideal. We'll see. I don't know.
I still think we're going for 16. Nothing changed. We just had a Monday high, Monday low trade.
Alex,
That's
do
all
you
that
want
it was.
to share your screen, go over some of your charts, show what you've been thinking?
Yeah, in a second, because I didn't update my charts yet.
Dak literally did all his charts live on stream this morning.
I can do that.
Man, Lauren, gold just fucking died. Wants to come back a little bit though. Oh shit. I'm leaking my P&L. I'm down like 100 to 200 bucks on the day. I'm gonna switch to your shit. All right, there you go. You're good.
Honestly, I still see this as a range here. Like we are in this range, and now we are in discount, but like we might have a go for these lows and create an accumulation here.
Yeah.
And all that this was like, but we took these highs, so I don't see why we would need to go down without taking this first. So this was my high time frame plan actually. I can show you right now. So this was exactly my high time frame plan. This is what I think, or like what I wanted to happen.
Nasdaq's pumping now. I wish I was paying more attention to that because that would have been a nice little move. But I still think we could sweep New York. My bad for interrupting. I was just thinking out loud.
No, that's fine. It's fine. I don't need these. I mean, yeah, order flow, it's quite easy. If we break structure to the upside again, we are targeting the high and, well, potentially 116 that I've been waiting for since the move down. But I would wait for a break of structure, like for something real. And what do we have here? We are like, basically this is the structure. We will need to go up above this high.
Yeah.
Oh no, actually, because we took the low. We will need to go above this high. This is what I will do. And this is what I will do actually. I will wait for this break and potentially wait for like a reconfirmation so I can get a better risk to reward. And I will just long it.
I kind of jumped
Let me
the
see
gun.
if we have anything. No, you did good. You caught the low. It was more risky, but it paid off, right? But yeah, it was a risky trade. I wouldn't have taken either like that. That was like
I'm a psycho though,
knife
bro.
catching.
that
Yeah.
is facts.
I'm a fucking
Well,
psycho, dude.
or like if I would definitely not have your size.
Yeah, I'm in for like the total Cardano position is like 400,000.
Yeah, I would not have that size.
Yeah, but brother,
So this is what I'm thinking. If we go up, I would like something like this to happen. Maybe create a small accumulation here and then go up here. Or, and this would be even better, since we still have this small order block over here on the 30 minute. Well, but I want to go up first. So I would like to go up here, touch this supply, and then here create a range. And we'd have this basically. Up, we would confirm the range here in the mid, like when we touch the EQ. And I would just like some liquidity to build up. Like, go down, do something like this. If my mouse wouldn't fucking click twice. Bro,
I don't really use an indicator for the fucking order blocks
like,
and
something like this would be perfect. This I would long this with like full size and I would hold it.
long the crib.
Yeah. I don't know if we were like if we're gonna get this, but if we do, this is like picture perfect, and it's even better if this low just induces the order block. Like this would be
SFB?
picture perfect. Yeah, but without touching this,
Oh, okay.
because like I don't know if you know the term, but like when you get super close to an order block and you don't touch it, you induce it basically, which
Yeah.
makes the order block stronger. And we would also be in like demand chain, but even though we have these lows, I don't think we need to take them necessarily. So if this would happen, I would still long it. And even if this happens, I would still long it. Even if we take that low, I would still be fine. I feel like this would be even better. But this would be my plan. And actually, I will save this in case it happens. It would be cool to have it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But I don't think I would long anything right now unless we break this and we create some more structure. This is too risky because we can go for all the lows, and on the high time frame, we can just go down and create a bigger accumulation here with this low. So we can easily go down now. It's so easy to just flush everything and create a high time frame accumulation like this.
Yeah, so pretty much I'm a psychopath. Don't follow me.
I mean, this looked good, bro.
Alex, did you show them the gold plan?
Is it planning? I had this yesterday as well, bro.
Gold is taking a fucking dive, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this is what I think happens on gold.
Huh?
And I wouldn't long it without an accumulation here. Like, this
I
is exactly what I think happens.
I showed it earlier. I wanted this low down here to get taken.
Now does
Well, yeah,
I said, look at it, look at it. I said this, like, come down here, form a PO3 beneath this low, and then go back up.
doesn't gold and like ES and MQ, don't they all like respect levels and shit way better than crypto?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Generally, yeah.
Like that's why it's like
that's why it's better.
it's like cake.
I mean,
well, yeah, look, I mean NQ's running for the fucking Asia low right now.
it's not really that it respects them better because they're just there and of their name. It like the levels are respected because you have more volume in the market, and
Yeah.
it's harder for it to like be manipulated and like go through levels because of that. Because you don't have
Okay.
like millions, you have like billions of dollars into the market daily.
Pull up NQ, Alex. Go over NQ a little bit, because we did go under Asia low for
Yeah,
a
1
second.
second. I still have my plan on.
ES has not gone to Asia low yet, though, so I wouldn't long.
No, I'm not long. I'd like to see that previous New York low, honestly, because that's close to the order block.
You're talking like
Honestly, I'd like
Yeah.
I'd like for us to come down to this zone.
This is my plan on
And
NQ, bro. Like for me, nothing changed. This is my plan, and I still think we are going to get this.
Yeah, that's literally the same thing as ES.
Well, yeah, it's the same plan. I have them both here.
damn, it was all
And my plan yesterday played out. Even though I fucked up the executions and I almost lost, like it's still fine. Like I wanted to go higher. We went higher,
you fucked up
and then I shorted the top.
Yeah, you did good yesterday. But I did watch you. Like that was brutal though.
Bro, if I wouldn't have fucked up the first trade, I would have been up like $100.
Oh yeah, you'd have been chilling. No, that was brutal.
Yeah, I
was like,
shorted.
damn.
Remember when I shorted the exact top on gold, and then CME took me out because it closed. And
So
look how far down it is.
Yeah, you would have been Gucci.
we have
Fucking
these lows
gold.
that we're
Okay,
gonna sweep,
dumb.
right?
You wanna know how much I would be?
Yeah. Sui had a nice move too.
We didn't take Asia high. Yesterday's Asia high.
Yeah.
Yeah, that fucking swept everything. Sui probably would have been a good one too.
I
We
would
didn't
be
take
up
this either, bro.
$55,000.
Yeah, we did. Or no, we didn't.
on
We didn't
gold.
take today's Asia high either.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Alex,
so this is the plan. Like, I don't think this happens here. I think we are going lower. I hope we
Mhm.
get like a spike to clear everything on New York, and then we are just after the manipulation on New York Open, we are going for these highs because it's like Tokyo high, like we have Asia high, we have yesterday Asia high, we have yesterday New York high.
yeah,
We are probably gonna have London high as well, and we didn't take anything. We are just going for the lows. So I don't think like if we go down, we might like balance this imbalance over here, tap into on some order block. I do think we are going to get a reaction from this box. I told you yesterday as well. I'm looking to get any type of reaction in this box. I do think we still get that, and maybe this is the trade where we actually go and we take these highs and we go for the all-time high because we are so close to it.
Yeah. I think that sounds like a good plan.
Like
Dak,
this is what I will do.
Where were you short from on gold? Like 4,300?
me?
Yeah.
See this order block up here?
Hold on, I'm not on your thing.
Yeah, like this.
Yep.
See
Yeah, yeah,
this? I was short from here.
Oh no! Oh
I
my god!
shorted. I
What
shorted.
about this?
You would have made like fucking 10 mil, bro.
As
And
soon as it
look how
came back
beautiful
in,
this was, bro. Like, watch my chart. Okay, I wasn't gonna
How the
trade
fuck did
this
you get
because it
wicked
wasn't.
out?
what was it?
Duck.
Yeah.
I didn't get
What?
wicked out.
He
They
got
took me
closed,
out.
bro, because the time ended.
'Cause the
You
market
cannot trade
closed.
gold off hours.
Yeah,
Oh shit,
Yeah, the market
bro.
closed.
I got in. I got in at this thing right here. This order block up here. Wait, I need to take it back right here. See right here. As soon as this failed, I went in with stop loss above the high, and a minute later this happened.
Look how beautiful this was, bro. On ES, we have like a perfect model to like distribution. This is like textbook.
To be fair, if I tried to go back in during Asia,
Look
I
how
wouldn't
beautiful
get
this was.
stopped out, and I would be up so fucking much.
And
Because
I shorted this. I shorted this high. Like,
let's say
You
this.
guys,
Let's say I
Hell yeah,
entered
Alex.
here. This I would be able to run it all the way down to here. All the way
so
down to here.
GG, 10 mil.
Is that gray box that you have a fair value gap?
What gray box?
I'm talking to Alex.
Oh,
no, this is just a confluence box.
Okay.
But yeah, it is a fair value gap as well.
Okay.
We just have like untested values like the order block. I want to get wicked through the box though. I want to touch the order block here, like the green box.
Yeah, that's what
But
I've been
I'm
looking
expecting
at.
some reaction here.
Have you guys looked at pre-market at all? Ooh.
But this was
pretty
like
much.
this is the trade that saved me yesterday. I caught like the top here. I shorted this exactly top, and I just held it. And I TP'd faster because I saw myself like I was up in profit like before I was in drawdown, and I just closed it faster. But it still hit my full take profit, which was I don't even remember what type of order block it was. But yeah, it was another block down there.
Netflix
Yeah, this one.
is supposed to open down 7%. Minus $88.
Oh, yeah, I'm expecting the same thing today. I'm just gonna delete this because I don't care. This is still. Well, I actually can keep this, but like this is the same thing. I want the high, like the low, to be taken because the expectational target, like the technical target, wasn't hit yet because it's this low, and we didn't sweep this low. So I think we're still going lower.
Yeah.
But what I'm looking for, I hope we leave these highs because we have Asia high. We are going to have London high if we are not just spiking up now, and we have New York high.
I don't think we spike up now. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
and we are going
fuck
to
around
have
with
all
it.
those highs. And we also have
Anyway.
like the all-time high over here.
Yeah.
So, like on both of them, I just want to go lower and then I try to long this zone. And I think I will hold it for the rest of the day. If we execute this good and I'm right, we might just have one trade for the whole day.
That's all
Yeah.
you need. That's all you need.
I think the play today is longs if we sweep lows first, shorts if we sweep highs.
Alex, the order block that you're looking to tap into, that's a 4-hour, right? The 4-hour order block?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I have on my chart.
Yeah. And I can refine it lower, but like I don't really care because anywhere there is good, you know. I was looking at this as well. This is why like normally it's like the 4-hour, but really like I want this order block to be tapped.
Yeah.
The 30-minute.
I mean, what I do is I usually look for the overlap. So like when I'd have a 4-hour like that, I look for a smaller time
Yeah.
frame order block inside the larger one. So like
Yeah, well, like the same. I'm refining it, but
yeah.
honestly, here like I don't really care because I still think we are going to get like a fast push, and if
Mhm.
we don't, then I would wait for like a reaction somewhere in the box.
Mhm.
But like, so my thought process like this: if we are going to have like a really high move, like move up today, this will not give us much time to enter. It will be like a quick up down, and then they will start going for it. If we go into the box and we are we build value here, I don't think we are going for all-time highs right now. So this is like the thought process, you know. Basically, I wanted like a quick tap and go, so we can target at all-time highs. If we don't do that, I don't think we are going for it.
So what's
Because
your
if we start
plan
building
if we
value here,
started going for highs before we hit that box? Like if we
I'll
took
just
out
short
some of
it.
these just short?
Yeah, I will
Short,
short like all the highs that like if we take any of these highs and we are building like value downside back into the range, I'll short it.
Mhm.
But I hope we don't take those because like the
I
longs
prefer not to.
look a lot better if we go down first than the shorts if we go up. The only like really good shorts would be if we take all-time high on NQ and we don't take it on ES, so we have like the huge divergence. So if we have that huge SMT, then that would look good, you know. But if we just take these highs in the range, they don't look as juicy as the long one.
Yeah.
And this is not yesterday
Yeah, and
anymore.
I
This
mean,
is just
shorting all-time high is weird because you need to get new supply created in order. Otherwise, you're just
You would
knife
know.
catching.
You would know about shorting all-time high, Dak.
I would. I've done it.
we are not doing that anymore, though. We are disciplined now.
Oh, you hear that, Dak? Alex said no more. No more playing with
Yeah, we are
knives,
disciplined
Dak.
now.
I agree with Alex.
I like having Alex in this group because it's like having a chaperone on the field trip. Somebody's got to be responsible.
Alex on New York Open is like, everybody stay fucking cold.
Bro, the second I woke up, I texted Dak, better you don't fucking lose any money before New York Open. This was the first thing I did on my phone.
You know the first thing I did when I woke up, Alex? I lost money before New York Open.
Exactly, that's why you don't do that.
It was like $200. Not worried.
Yeah, at least you didn't have big size.
You were
didn't lose
trading
800.
fucking. You were trading gold during Asia, bro.
At least you didn't have.
When else would you trade gold, brother? That's what you trade during
At least you
Asia.
didn't lose $800 in the first 5 minutes
You
of
need
you
to
opening
trade.
something.
You need to trade gold during the freedom box, freedom hours.
Freedom hours is when I trade NQES. I don't touch NQES in Asia. We're getting a bull div
I
on
wanna get
NQ
on
right
I
now.
wanna get on longs on Bitcoin as well. Bro, they stopped my dodge swing long, sadly. Fuck them.
Dude, if I would have took this shit, I'd be printing right now.
Took what shit?
My fucking 30-second order block strategy when we swept Asia low.
We cannot use 30 seconds anymore, Dak.
Bullshit,
don't
that's
have
my
30
favorite
seconds.
entry.
No, I don't have the 30-second. I'm trading you. The essential
Yeah.
plan.
Bro, look at this.
I have the broke plan.
That'd be nice. I'd be up.
Bro, these are so risky. I don't know how y'all take them. I could never take one of these like this.
What, like what I'm showing?
Yeah.
not that risky.
Because look at this stop loss, you know? It's like you get wicked out and you lose like $100. Like think about this. This is like probably like a 10 RR at least. I'll probably get like $1,000 for hitting this high and risking 100. And you
So
do
what-
it. You
like-
only do it in like a key time. So like for example, the reason for this one would be sweeping Asia low, right? Or like for example, whenever we got to our 4-hour and 30-minute order block down there, I'd be on the 30
But did we sweep Asia low?
the previous one on NQ.
And
Oh,
you
okay,
did,
and
yeah.
we left the okay. Yeah.
And we left New York. But yeah, so like that would have been the reason for that, just taking a stab at it just in case. And like this I always do very small positions with these. But like if we get to that 4-hour,
I mean, I
30-minute
understand
box,
because you're not risking a lot. Like the stop is super tight, and you're
Yeah.
risking basically like $100 for 1,000. So that's like
so like
that makes sense.
once you print that 30-second order block, I go in with like one, like a micro, right, or whatever, and just one, nothing crazy. Put the stop below the order block, and then if you retest the order block, I'd maybe enter one more, and then see what happens. But like, if we made a 30-second order block while we're in that demand that we're waiting for, dude, I'd fucking eat that shit up. Because that's when it's really good. Whenever it happens in one of your like key zones that you've been waiting all day for, you know. But we're about to make a 30-minute order block in 15 minutes if this keeps going. I would
We
have
have
almost
like
hit 4
still
TP.
1 hour and a half.
We have an hour and something.
Yeah, an hour and like 15 minutes. So we're chilling. Like anything can happen. I'm not too stressed about it. I just want to see their hand, and I want to catch like one good trade today. I don't want to try too much. Like I will try to be super patient and get that good trade. You know, if we are chopping, like honestly, I was thinking earlier like what I want to do today. And if we are just chopping in this range and we don't take we don't have anything decisive, I'm good with not taking a trade today.
Yeah.
Because I'm done playing around. I don't wanna trade this mini range for eternity, you know? We did it yesterday. We chopped in it and we somehow made money. But I don't wanna take my chances again in a shitty range.
Yeah, you're the GOAT, bro. What?
I just
You
love
are.
him.
You're the fucking
What do
GOAT,
you,
bro.
bro? I'm not both of them are better than me. What are you on about? I'm the
What?
beginner here.
Me and Dak?
Yeah.
Bro, you're way more structured than me, not even gonna cap.
What about me?
I'm
Nah,
just
I'm
like,
just fucking.
me and Jabs are more similar. Me and Jabs
Do you
just have the
trade
bread.
futures? You didn't even get an account on futures.
He
No,
did,
I
didn't he? I sent him the stuff.
yeah, but I didn't make one yet.
Oh, yeah.
Then, bro, Alex, how are you gonna say that I'm better than you when every morning we wake up, send each other a zone, and then the other person says, "Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking at."
Well, yeah,
Bro,
but you have more experience. You are
you're just
funded
the
already.
same. You are just the same, brother. You are just the same.
That is kind of true, though, bro. Even since when I wasn't even trading futures, we still had the same zones.
Yeah.
So did you start off on crypto or what's good?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I'm still
I
trading
was the
crypto,
one
but
that sent him to
bro,
futures.
Oh, Alex, that shit would
basically,
have
I
hit
am
full
still
TP.
trading crypto more, but I'm only trading Bitcoin. I'm not even looking at alts. So for me, it's super easy to just keep updated my Bitcoin chart and trade high quality
Shit,
trades, and then I have a lot of time to trade futures. Would you say,
Yeah.
Jet?
No, I
I
hear
would
you.
have hit full TP.
Yeah, that was crazy. I mean, okay, this trade that you showed, this looks good. But taking that with 2 minutes before New York Open, that was that would be crazy.
Well, yeah, but this would have
I'm
been
crazy, baby.
this would have been like 2 hours before New York Open. A little less.
Yeah, I know, but I was just talking about that because he did open a trade with a
Oh.
tiny stop loss right before New York Open, and he was like, "I hope I don't get wicked out."
Bro, that trade would have printed if I put my stop loss high in order block.
Oh, and
Well,
we just
yeah,
took
but
the
still,
high
it
I
still
was
was crazy
targeting.
because you tried to short it before it opened.
It's not that crazy. I didn't risk that much.
Are we in my 10-minute
I
order
mean, yeah,
block?
true.
I risked like $100, whatever. Who cares? Not even
That's
$100.
ES,
It was
so it's
90
10 minute. We're about to hit a 10-minute order block on ES.
I still need to chill down with the sizes, bro, because
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
used to my Bitcoin shit where I can risk 3, 4, 500 on a trade, and I can stay in the trade for a few hours. But here, I'm in the trade for 5 minutes. If I risk 800, that's way too much for a 5-minute loss.
Yeah.
I mean, really just allocate your risk based on your max loss limit. Because because the 50K, 100K, 150K have absolutely nothing to do with your risk, because that's not how much money you actually have. You're only working with 2K, 3K, 4K.
So
or
pretty much you're on
4,500.
you're on 50x leverage, pretty much. That's what you got.
Kinda, yeah.
So you gotta calculate your risk based off your max loss limit.
I need Bitcoin to keep pumping.
So like for a 50K account, you're only trading with $2,000.
I don't
So-
look at it that way.
So you have to
still,
calculate your risk with $2,000 because you can't, because if you do 1%, right? 1% of 100 is a lot different than 1% of $2,000.
Yeah, but you cannot do 1% of $2,000 because you're never gonna get funded.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be so fucking long.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
that's what I'm
$20.
saying. I don't think I'm not looking at that way. I'm trading the account that I have, but I just know that I have 6 trades. or like
Yeah.
depending on the risk, I know I have like 6-7 trades to win. I cannot lose 7 in the row, and that's all I have to do. Just make sure I take like quality trades and I don't lose 7 in a row.
Yeah, that's personally how I did it, but
Like even on
textbook
on breakout,
wise,
right? I'm trading on crypto the same way. I'm having like 6 trades because on crypto I actually go 1% of the account, and I have like 6 trades that I can lose before I get busted. And I just make sure that I take quality trades. And if I lose, I'm just being more conservative until I make it back, and I try to stay on profit. Like if you're not degenerate and you don't like all in one day because you get tilted, it's impossible to lose because you're not going to lose 7 trades in a row.
all I know is I should have fucking long
Yeah.
NQ. I knew it.
Like let's be honest, for a good trader, bro, it's quite hard to lose like 8 trades in a row, 7 trades in a row.
Oh, I know. I agree completely.
Bro,
It's like look at
whenever
Gio, bro. He was surprised when he had like 3 losses in a row.
dude on my funded account, looking at
Yeah.
my history, like hold on. Let me actually send it in the Discord. I'll literally show you. This shit was kind of crazy to me. I was on point doing this shit. Cuz they gave me like huh?
Go ahead.
I was gonna say they sent me like a review. Look at this shit. I'm about to pull it up. So out of this is like my combine. 10 trades, my worst loss was $70 on that account. With my best trade being 2,500.
Well, yeah, exactly.
So like it's possible. I mean, but that was when Dak and I, we were locked the fuck in. And I mean, the crazy thing is, that was back when we were shorting tops, Alex. We were shorting all-time highs during this.
Yeah.
This is the 30-second order block
Those
strategy,
stats are
brother.
crazy, bro.
This is the 30-second order block strategy, brother.
So
30
let me understand.
order
Do you
block is
have
so
like
crazy.
your worst day PNL? It's like minus $70.
Uh-huh.
That's wild,
And then my best P&L is
bro. You're like
2,500.
35 hours. Like
Yeah.
your best day, like against your worst day.
Yeah. And that's only, bro, I made the 6K with 10 trading days. Like I didn't trade. I wasn't even trading that much, really.
It took you like 2 weeks to make the challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he wasn't even trading that much.
I traded like, bro, I traded like one
I
day
think
a week.
you traded like 5 days. What?
I traded 10 days total, but like most of my profit came from like 3 or 4 days.
Well, yeah.
But that's because I was only doing like really good setups and I was just printing on those setups.
You weren't doing 30-second setups.
No.
30-second order
but-
block.
Bro, I'm not even gonna lie, they work. They work good.
When
Only-
it's time to
only-
hit, they hit.
Yeah, so the thing about the 30-second order block strategy, it's like how Geo uses the RSI thing. It's not like an indicator, it's not a strategy in itself. It's simply an entry model. So like
Yeah.
you have to do all your TA, you have to have all your zones, and you have to be in your zone that you're like looking for a trade, and then you just use the 30-second order block as an entry and a stop to catch like a perfect move.
I'm not even gonna lie. I have zero clue how the other side.
I think they traded like based off like a break of structure on it or something on the RSI. They like treat it like structure.
What? Yeah, that's how JettTradez with it. Yeah, but I don't think we should talk about that because he doesn't want to make it public.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I don't personally use it. I kind of looked at it for a little bit and that was it. I didn't really go for it.
I don't really fuck with indicators that much. I only have ace on my chart.
And I kind of want to get
But
ace
that's after
fucking off of my
I
chart.
enter a trade. I
don't use an indicator for the fucking order blocks or the fair value gaps. I mean, you could just see that shit.
I only do it so I can make drawing it easy.
Bro, like,
quick.
Well, I know.
yeah,
I'm
I
just
do
lazy.
use like the Nexus thing for like order blocks, but it's only because I want to go faster through the TA.
Yeah.
No, I hear
Instead
you,
of
yeah.
like looking at the candles, I'm literally just skipping through the time frames, and I can see it pop up in my face. You know?
You're,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
like, oh, there it is. Yeah,
Yeah,
I get
I'm
what
just
you're saying.
lazy.
Oh, I hear you.
Bro,
And then
like this is only the reason I'm using it.
And the thing is, I still physically draw them, even though
Yeah, me too.
Nexus
You
One
used to
draws it
that.
for me, because I want to see my high time frame
Oh, the
order
time
blocks
frames.
on my low time
Yeah.
frames. Because I want to have
No,
a
I agree.
zone and then use my low time frame for entry while I'm in that zone. Because like, I'll go over to Top Step and I'll draw my exact order block that I'm looking at onto that chart, and then I'll wait till I'm in it, and then once I get that 30-second order block entry, bang, I'm smashing that shit. And if I get stopped out, I'm waiting for another one, bang, smashing that shit again. One of them gonna work. And the good news is, Alex,
Yeah.
I don't think we're going for the highs yet. I think we're good. I still think your plan's in play. Just looking at everything right now.
Yeah, this looks like maybe you like think you could even short this here.
Yeah, I was gonna short
you
it if
have,
we
like-
hit that 10-minute order block, but we induced it.
You have a 50-minute as well. Wait, I was watching, yes, but I think you have it on NQ as well. No, you don't. Yeah, it's a 10-minute one.
Yeah. I'm looking at ES right now. They got a 10 and a 15.
Oh yeah, on ES you have a 15 as well.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think that you could actually short that order block if we go up a bit more. But I don't think I would do that.
Yeah, now I'm waiting. Yeah, I think the 4-hour, 30-minute order block is the play for the day. Let me be setting my alerts on that shit. Anything you guys want to go over before we wrap this stream up? Because I got to dip soon.
No. I've said everything I had to say for the TA. I don't really have anything else to do. We're just waiting for execution now.
Yep. Jabs, you got anything, brother? Oh, he's not. He's muted. He's not even here. Alex, anything else? Is Alex not here either? It's just us, Dak. All right. Well, I got a dip.
That was a good stream.
Yep, good stream. Lots of good info. It'll turn into a video, so everybody will get to see how smart we are when this plays out. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Later.
Oh, are we done?
One love.
Yeah. Yep. You want to say goodbye, Jabs?